Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ayad. All this video was made of I, so hopefully you enjoy it. I search for all over the world database to give you the most advanced real-time info. Today, I want to share with you 45 tips on how to make money online without spending a single dime. This tips has never been revealed before, so use at your own risk. Remember, no risk, no reward. Whether you're just starting out on YouTube or you're already established, these tips will help you maximize your earning potential. Tip number 1: create valuable content that people want to watch. Make sure to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that you know a lot about. You can use ChatGPT or other sources of info to make the scripts you don't need to think. We'll do that. Tip number 2: monetize your channel through ads and sponsored content. You'll earn money every time someone clicks on an ad or watches a sponsored video. Also, you can search with AI for sponsors that match your content. For example, Steve I or other sources. Tip number 3: offer affiliate marketing. This one is quite good and quite fast to earn money. It is highly recommended by us. This means promoting products and services that you use and love, and earning a commission for each sale that comes from your unique affiliate link. Tip number 4: create and sell your own digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or printables. This is a great way to monetize your expertise and reach a wider audience. You don't need to know anything, just look for a trending topic and use AI to get the most on real-time info. Tip number 5: use social media to promote your channel and engage with your audience. This will help you reach a wider audience and grow your following. If you don't have followers, you can use AI tech to grow your followers without closing your SM account. Comment if you want sources. Tip number 6: optimize your videos for search engines using keywords and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in search results, making it easier for people to find your content. You can use Google Ads to look for keywords and tag generators based on AI. Tip number 7: collaborate with other YouTubers to reach a wider audience. You will need to mass send emails to get YouTubers, at the beginning small ones. This will also help you grow your network and build relationships with other content creators. If you don't know other YouTubers, use AI to reach massively to all the possible accounts and find someone. Tip number 8: utilize search engine optimization to increase your visibility online. This means researching popular keywords and using them in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Comment if you want me to give you search engines based on AI. Tip number 9: invest in high-quality equipment to improve the quality of your videos. If you don't have money, use others' tips to gain some money and reinvest. This will make your content more professional and appealing to viewers. Comment it if you need sources of AI. I'll do another video with specific details. Tip number 10: offer a free resource, such as a newsletter or a free trial, to incentivize people to subscribe to your channel. Tip number 11: network with other content creators in your niche to exchange ideas and collaborate on projects. Tip number 12: offer paid courses and workshops to monetize your expertise. Tip number 13: use paid advertising to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your videos. Tip number 14: offer sponsored content to companies looking to reach your audience. If you need companies, let me know in comments. I'll do the lookup for you. Tip number 15: start a Patreon account to allow your fans to support you financially. If you need help on growing fast on Patreon, comment, and I will give you secret info. Tip number 16. Utilize email marketing to stay in touch with your audience and promote your content. Tip number 17. Create merchandise and sell it through your channel. If you don't have access to it, offer some existing brand and sell them online, brands that are not online. Tip number 18. Participate in affiliate programs and earn a commission for each sale that comes from your referral. Tip number 19. Offer consulting services and monetize your expertise. If you don't have expertise on nothing, just use ya and resell it. Tip number 20. Utilize Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to promote your channel and engage with your audience. Tip number 21. Host live streams and webinars to engage with your audience and offer valuable content. Tip number 22. Create an online course or workshop to monetize your expertise. If you don't know how to do it, do partner with an offline course and go 50 to 50% on online profits. Tip number 23. Offer premium content to subscribers, such as exclusive videos or early access to new content. Tip number 24. Utilize Pinterest to drive traffic to your videos and promote your content. Tip number 25. Offer virtual coaching or mentorship services of you or someone that you know, but it is not online. Mostly older people don't know how to profit online. Utilize guest posting to reach a wider audience and promote your channel. Tip number 27. Offer paid subscriptions for access to exclusive content. If you don't know how to start, I can give you secret and confidential strategies, just comment. Tip number 28. Utilize Twitter to promote your channel and engage with your audience. If you don't have a big Twitter, I can give you secret tips to glitch Twitter and go viral. Tip number 29. Offer a free trial or sample of your digital products to incentivize people to purchase. Tip number 30. Utilize Facebook groups to engage with your audience and promote your content. Tip number 31. Start a blog and write about topics related to your niche. This will help drive traffic to your channel. If it doesn't work, just ask me on comments, and I will do a research on secrets methods on internet to get tons of traffic for free. Tip number 32. Utilize Instagram to promote your channel and engage with your audience. Tip number 33. Offer a newsletter or email course to keep your audience engaged and informed. Tip number 34. Utilize Reddit to promote your channel and engage with your audience. If you need tips on going viral on Reddit, ask on comments. I will do a full research for you. Tip number 35. Offer one-on-one coaching or consulting services. If you don't know about anything, you can use ya to coach other users. Tip number 36. Utilize LinkedIn to promote your channel and engage with your audience. Tip number 37. Create and sell physical products related to your niche, such as books or merchandise. Tip number 38. Utilize Snapchat to promote your channel and engage with your audience. Tip number 39. Offer group coaching or mentorship services. Just tell me on comment if you need secret sources for this. Tip number 40. Utilize TikTok to promote your channel and engage with your audience. Tip number 41. Offer a free trial of your paid courses or workshops. Tip number 42. Utilize Pinterest to drive traffic to your channel and promote your content. Tip number 43. Offer paid webinars to monetize your expertise. If you don't know about anything, hire someone and do the business area. Tip number 44. Utilize StumbleUpon to promote your channel and engage with your audience. Tip number 45. Offer online tutoring or teaching services. If you don't know how to do service, just hire on cheap platforms as easy jobs and resell them for X100 profit. Your comments, likes, and shares have been a source of inspiration and encouragement, and I can't thank you enough.